So when we talk about public engagement, it's a really broad sphere. So it encompasses many different aspects. We have here what's known as the avocado or the spectrum of public engagement. And this was developed by the UCD Community of Practice on Public Engagement. But if we look at it more simply, it really divides public engagement into a couple of different categories. There's one-way dialogue, and that's things like news articles, lab tours, public lectures, where you are giving information about your research out, but there isn't a two-way or reciprocal knowledge exchange. Or you have consult, which is the other way, where the public gives information to the researcher, but again, there's no two-way knowledge exchange within that. So when we discuss public and patient involvement, what we're discussing are these higher levels of public engagement where there is two-way dialogue. The public is involved throughout the research process and has a level of decision-making within that process, and often will jointly plan parts of the research cycle. And even stronger than that is partnership, where there is an equal or joint level of decision making, and often public partners may lead the project. And I should be clear here, when I talk about public partners, I'm not talking about the general public. I'm talking about the specific interested public for whatever your research is. So that might be, for example, someone living with rheumatoid arthritis might be the public in question, or somebody living with rheumatoid arthritis refractory to biologics might be the specific public. It's just a general term for the very specific group of people who have this particular knowledge and expertise that you collaborate with. So PPI is about increasing research relevance and cooperating with people living with experience to enable careful and deliberate study design. It is a way of trying to close some of the gaps to improve research impact. And we do this because decisions made in the light of an adequate understanding of the issues are likely to be better than decisions made in the absence of such understanding. So we make decisions around the research question we ask, about how we conduct our research, and if we have better dialogue with the people who that research is intended for, then our research will be better and it will be more impactful.